To begin, you'll need to have some funds available in your MEXC account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wallet section and click on Withdrawal. It's important to note that MEXC only allows cryptocurrency withdrawals. You cannot withdraw fiat currency directly to your bank account from MEXC. To work around this, you'll need to use a second exchange like Coinbase or Binance, which supports fiat withdrawals to a bank account. Setting up an account on either of these platforms is simple and should only take a few minutes. For example, if you want to withdraw USDT Tether, select USD on MEXC. Then head over to your secondary exchange, in this example Coinbase, go to the Transfer section and click on Receive Crypto. Select USDT or whichever cryptocurrency you're withdrawing from MEXC, then copy the wallet address provided by Coinbase. Be sure to select the same network such as ERC20 on both platforms to avoid errors or loss of funds. Return to MEXC, paste in the copied address, select the appropriate network, for example ERC20, input the amount you want to withdraw and then click Submit. Your funds will soon appear in your Coinbase account. Once your crypto arrives in Coinbase, you can go to the Transfer section again and choose to withdraw cash to your bank account.